Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export your iPhone contacts to Gmail and import them into your Google account. This is a great way to back up your contacts or sync them across devices. Let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. From the list of contacts, press and hold Select All Contacts. Once they're selected, tap Export and then tap Done to confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to save the file. Tap Save to Files and give the file a name you'll recognize. And tap Save. Make sure you remember where you saved it as you'll need it in the next step. Now let's open web browser on your computer or phone and go to contacts.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once inside, look for the Import option in the menu and click on it. You may see it as this plus icon. If you have it, select the file you just saved from your iPhone and upload it. Once the process is done, your iPhone contacts will now be imported into your Google account. If you don't have it, maybe your Google account just needs to be updated. You can check any updates on your App Store. And that's it. You've successfully exported your iPhone contacts and imported them into Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.